Kinda psycho like a meteorite. Microphone, no Sharona, no BOLOG, and ain't no Bologna. Michael, but feeble fiber, psycho, I'm psycho survivor. I use my rifle stifle you down while I'm letting no grounds. People hurrying, hurtling, hitting the ground. MICROPHONE, moving mini. MIKE, okay, say okay. He capable of reducing the level. The devil's rebel with horrible treble, kibbles and bits of my hits, dribbles and drips through your lips, flips, lip. You in the dark, skip, chords and parts. Forget the way the rhyme starts. How smart? Now 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 or 7 or 8. I'm taking out anyone trying to break up on the microphone because none of they fake. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P. People the power for taking my cowards to trying to sky with the one and only Micah 9. I like to rhyme anytime, any day when I recite, I shine. I smoke the kind. Finally, I'm getting mine in the name you'll find. All the more key, there's a big line. Rapping around the corner, we run California haiku to talk on the sign. Mike Aaron and Eddie, Mike Aaron and Eddie, Mike Aaron and Aaron and Eddie, Mike Aaron and Eddie, Mike Aaron and Eddie, Mike Aaron and Eddie, Mike Aaron and Eddie, like the man with the mic in his hand, I silence the lamb, getting all the guidance. He don't gotta lie to his fans. I don't have to pilot the plane. Who's ever styling the same? You better file in the lane. Shang gang, no weak link in the armor. Maintain free speech in our honor. Day-to-day go to rule a good karma. Hold a fool accountable, and we was overdue to coup de man conquer. Penalize, read the rise till they see the light, realize. Think with a seeing eye, freely, cause money ain't the key to life. It's love and our existence is a symphony of epiphanies. Above and beyond our experiences are mysteries. The blood of our ancestors all through history enriches me. I channel victory. My instincts are so defensive. My haiku codependence. We fight to the vote to finish. That group is soul dependent. Ace 1 is the poet witty. Like a 9 is the jazz and the razzle tazzle dazzling. Don't even think about battling. This could hurt you a vicious circle sparring at the gathering. Mike Aaron and Eddie. Mike Aaron and Eddie. Mike Aaron and Aaron and Eddie. Mike Aaron and Eddie. Mike Aaron and Eddie. Mike Aaron and Eddie. Mike Aaron and Eddie. I'm good and ready. When I keep the party rockin' steady. Hey, good girl, you looking pretty. When I get you nice and sweaty. Gotta whoop, rock this style like half out plenty. I'ma break you up and back down. Never go put the mic back down. One or y'all or two of y'all. It don't really matter who you are. When the sound comes through like booyah. Sounds so good like pull it up. Like mash it up, smash it up. Poetry take over, that's what's up. Mike Aaron and Daddy, that's what's up. This music is all mastery. Don't tell me what it has to be. Ask for me, it'll be catastrophe. If you just don't stop harassing me, the audacity. Keep on asking me about this blasphemy. Telling me the whole world's passing me, but I gotta do what's in all the best interest. Even if they're not interested, still gotta get your engine tested. Manifested destiny, the best of me, but development still arrested. Enemy to the public, lock us up and loving it. Society's finished, elixir grimaces, give me a sense and double it. Now what's the deal? Who's the dealer?